What up, guys? Here's another video. Bafana here. Uh, where to start? Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm looking at the pound USD. So with pound USD so far, we've been seeing price like going down for like I don't know for how long. Man. It's like a year or yeah, it's been long. It's been long, guys. And 1, 2, 3. Okay. It seems like we in a reversal zone so far. Seems like price might reverse. I don't know until when, but we have something that is interesting here, which is this one. Let me just hide this. Just do a couple of few things. Price, as you can see, this is like daily. So this first one, but price came back. So we have this and then this one again. So are we going to have a similar thing? I think we're going to have a similar thing, but I don't think we might have this drop like this, but we might come to this zone. Then from there, we'll be looking for an entry. Those will be first TPs, all of this one, first TPs, not first, like TPs, like 1, 2, 3, 4, if we do get this break, but probably we might be looking for this one. But so far, we have to focus on the retracement because we might be seeing price going and then start to go further up. So that's USD or pound USD for me. Also, let me check Euro USD, same thing. I'm looking for almost a similar thing because even if I put that's what I'm looking at. So this will be like a potential. So because another thing that I've noticed was I don't see any, it's like short-term potential for a drop. I'm not saying price won't drop below these areas, but we can see that structure here has been taken, like 2 of them. So there's a sign that we might be seeing sort of a buy, like in the next coming weeks, especially the next month, yeah, like August. So this week we might be see price trying to play out like for a buy, and then from there we might be seeing like price potentially going up. Then we have DXY. So with DXY also, I'm looking for a similar thing. My point of interest will be this one. I'm looking for price actually to come to this zone, maybe get a confirmation, then we can start to take out this zone. So obviously, if DXY is looking to sell, then we automatically buy Euro USD. But you don't just buy, obviously, you will need a confirmation. And we have CAD. So with CAD, I'm also looking for a sell. So price actually, I'm going to remove this, and then I'm looking for this area going further up, but the price has been took this liquidity here, so we're not sure whether we might be having price going further up, but so far price reacted from this zone. Then there's a sign that the bearish, like sellers, are in the market, but we don't know how long the price can retreat. So, but the best thing is you can wait for this one, but it might take for days before it plays out, or wait for this one to be taken out, price come back to this zone, then you can have this one, or you can look for your entry around this area and then taking price to this zone. So remember, this is not the signal, it's just like what we can do in terms of like analyzing and in terms of like analyzing and also taking like trades, but you need sort of a confirmation before we can consider any buy around here. So last few, not last, I think last week or something, I think I had this one is a buy. It worked out, it worked. So I wanted another one here. I think it worked for a while, but price came, and then we had this one, and the price came back again. So overall, this one didn't work. But I understood something. Obviously, we have to learn each and every day. And then now we are here. We'll see where it takes us. Then we have Nasdaq. With Nasdaq at the moment, to be honest, when the price was here, I was hoping for this one, and I had a buy here, which I took almost some of the trades out. I'm only left with one trade, which the stop loss is here. And then I have an alert here. I want to see where the price can respect this, so I'll probably go here or probably pass here. Then before changing, coming to these zones. Then from there, that's where we're going to have probably a huge buy that will be coming. But so far, I have to check whether we have like any break here, because if there's a break that is going to happen here, then obviously I'll be out of the position that I had here. And but I almost closed everything. I'm only remaining with a small lot, and then I'm just watching and see how the price is gonna play out. But overall, when you look at daily, with daily, so what we have daily, we have price taking the highs, taking the highs, taking the highs. Somewhere we want the price actually to retrace, and then before going further up. But if we don't get that, it's fine. But so far with Nasdaq, I'm just watching, I'm just observing, because if things don't meet your ideas, then there's no rush. Same with US30. So with US30, it's almost a similar thing. It's almost a similar thing. Price took out this one. This is a newly high. And then I'm waiting for price actually to come to this zone. Then from here, we are looking for further upside movement. And yeah, so that's it for me, guys. I have nothing to say. Follow your plan, and what's the other thing? Yeah.